Abafeereireho muri butandu bamanywanka Robert Masereka, Morris Tembo, Bahati Karismat hamwe na n'uwamanywanka Mbare bona babiri nibatamburira hari piki etakamanyirwe na mbetomirwe fuso namba UAX 883M ebireye kurire muhogo eri kugitwara umuro mukunyu bakatomerana bona bakafera harutindo oruri kugitegombora ya Nyakiyumbu na mukunyu omucyaro cya Musenene omugombora ya Nyakiyumbu omuri district ya Kasese.
Around 7:30 p.m. the fuso truck that was carrying cassava flour heading to Munkunyu sub-county immediately after Mushenene Trading Center, as it was approaching river Ukankara at the bridge, it came on head collision with one of our bodabodas which was carrying 4 passengers.
Unfortunate, when we got the information, we rushed to the scene. Unfortunately, we couldn't save life, though we tried to take one to hospital. Unfortunately, he also succumbed to this morning.
The bridge is very narrow, and they had just completed grading the road. And on my left, we can see culverts being constructed where they were going to increase the size of the bridge. The bridge is very narrow currently, whereby a motorcycle and a fuso fighter cannot pass aside and the motorcycle on the other side.
Aitwaza kwandikira amakuru aga twasaga polisi rumunegeza kwiha motoka ejo mugera ahegwire. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.